Question number 9 from section 3.2, synthetic division. We're asked to use synthetic division to decide whether the given number k is a zero of the polynomial function and give the value of f of k. So when you do the setup here, you want to know if negative 4 is a zero. So you're going to put a negative 4 in the box, and then you're going to use the coefficients of the polynomial function, beginning with 1, 5, 9, and 20. You're going to bring down the first coefficient, 1, multiply everything under the line by the number that's in the box. 1 times negative 4 is negative 4. 5 plus negative 4 is 1. 1 times negative 4 is negative 4. 9 times plus negative 4 is positive 5. 5 times negative 4 is negative 20. And 20 and negative 20 give you a remainder of 0. Since the remainder is 0, we can answer yes. The negative 4 is a 0 of the polynomial function. Okay, and the last part is to find f of k. So we want to find f of k. In this case, our k is negative 4. You can determine the value of f of negative 4 by plugging it into the function. So that would be negative 4 cubed plus 5 times negative 4 plus 9, squared, plus 9 times negative 4 plus 20. Simplify this. Negative 4 cubed is negative 64 plus 5 times negative 4 squared. That's 5 times 16 is 80. Plus 9 times negative 4, that's negative 36 plus 20. So that's going to be negative 64 plus 80, which is 16 minus 36 plus 20. So 16 minus 36 is negative 20, and plus 20 is 0. And this may be a coincidence, or may think it is a coincidence, but the value of f of negative 4 is always the same as the remainder. These are always going to be the same. And the last one is to use synthetic division for number 10 to decide whether negative 1 over 5 is a 0 of the function 25x to the 4th plus 29x squared plus 21x plus 3. Okay, so we're going to use synthetic division, but we need to rewrite this polynomial because it is missing some exponents. Here we have 25x to the 4th. There's no x to the 3rd power, so we want to put plus 0x to the 3rd plus 29x squared plus 21x plus 3. That's going to be our setup here. In synthetic division, we are going to put a negative 1 over 5 in the box and put the coefficients 25, 0, 29, 21, and positive 3. Bring down the first coefficient and multiply 25 times negative 1 over 5. 25 times negative 1 over 5 is going to be negative 5. 0 and negative 5 is negative 5. Negative 5 times negative 1 over 5 is a positive 1. 29 and a positive 1 is 30. 30 times a negative 1 over 5 is negative 6. 21 minus 6 is 15. 15 times negative 1 over 5 is negative 3. and a positive 3 and a negative 3 is 0. So the answer to the question, is negative 1 over 5 a 0 of the polynomial? The answer is yes, because the remainder is 0 when you use synthetic division. Okay, practice synthetic division. We are going to be using it in later sections, and it can be a very quick and easy tool to do some factoring of polynomials.